In this video, I will recap all steps for you to how to be success in upselling. So especially, I will give you an example and I will give you step by step and what you need to do and how to do it. And if you just follow those steps, so I believe you can do upselling success. I mean, it's not in day one, but if you keep practice, remember that, and keep practice every single client, every day, I believe you will get there, okay? So, number one, choose your favorite hair care products. So, 4 hair care and 2 hairstyling. Number 2, consultation. Find the problem and give your client the solution. So the next one is number 3, educate your client how to use it and how to get the best benefit on those products. Number 4, this is my key, my favorite one. You use the method 1C31 and 1CC1111 method. Number 5, close the sale. So choose your favorite products, 4 hair care and 2 hairstyling. So why I am saying this? Because when someone sharing with you about what they are passionate about, so you can feel it. You can easy to absorb and listen and hear what they passionate about, right? So that's why I say if you get 4 hair care products with your favorite one, easy for you to talk with your client and easy for you to share what the benefit from there and how to use it. But my suggestion, if you are new hairstylist, why I say only 4 hair care products and 2 hairstyling, because if you are new, if you get too many hair care products, that it just make you really hard to focus on. And also, if too many clients, you not use all of that. Usually, what your favorite one, you like it, that one, and you use that more often. So you get more experience with those products. So just 4 hair care products and 2 hairstyling. Number 2, consultation. So find out their problem and give your client the solution. So I have a few questions for you to ask and find out what their problem or their issues, okay? So, what do you like about your hair? What you don't like about your hair? This is very important. When I ask the question, what you don't like, they will tell me what they really don't like. And that is what they don't like. The key, you have to give them the solution, okay? Do you have any specific concern about your hair? Do you feel with your hair right now? How do you feel with your hair right now? Dry, damage, or anything? Is there anything your hair that I can help you with? So those questions you can ask in different client, in different situation. You can ask similar those questions to find out what they don't like and what their issues and give them solution, okay? So how for you to know what kind of products your client need? Okay, so for example, for a haircut, if the hair is thin, they might need the volume products. If the hair too thick, they might need the light products, not too heavy. If the hair frizzy, they need frizzy control. Also, if you do color service with something you need to think about. So if the hair is too dry, so they might need the moisture products. is hair too dry because of the heat, they need the heat protector. Is the hair split end, they need the cream to stop split end. Also with the color, you always ask about always let them know what kind of shampoo to keep that color last long or not turn brassy. So if that, you will suggest the shampoo, the color shampoo or the purple shampoo to keep ashy last longer for blonde hair. Remember, this is the consultation, not selling at this time and at this point. Don't ask or tell them you buy it, you need to buy it, you need to buy that. Don't. So wait for the end. So number 3, educate your client how to use those products. Anytime if you pick up the product to you on your client hair, tell them what you are using and why you use this. So, and also explain for them how they can use that at home. Do you know why? Why you have to share those information? Because this is the way you build the trust and the professionals for yourself. So during the consultation, you find out their issue and repeat back to them and say, okay, you say your hair is dry, you say your hair is too thin, so this is give them more information. So when they hear what you say that and they believe in you, they listen to you and they think you listen to them and help them all those issues. So I have an example for you. So I do hair for my client. Her name is Anna. So what I'm saying, hey Anna, I'm using a hydrated detangle today for your hair. Your hair feel a little bit dry, so you need some moisture and also something to protect your hair with the sun and the environment. So this particular product can add moisture for your hair. Also, it protect your hair with the sun environment. So with the smoke on the street, on the car, and dust on the streets. So this one in particular is a heat protector and add moisture for your hair. So I think this is really good for you. So with this, when you use this, you just make sure you use that enough amount on your hair so it doesn't make your hair more dry or damaged. So and it feel more shine and silky for your hair. Then after I apply that on for her, and then I just ask her, okay, can you touch your hair and let me know how do you feel with this? Of course, to me, I believe that product is make her hair feel nice and touch and feel silky. When she touch it, she can feel that straight away, and she just say, okay, this is really good and I think I need it.